Hello world, Shelly here, and today I've got for you another Dia & Co. try-on. If you are not familiar with Dia & Co., they are my personal favorite personal styling service for plus sizes. I've been with them for over 5 years, which blows my mind because I've just been thinking it's been a couple, and it's been more than 5, and I buy most of my boxes. So let's take a look at what they've got going on this month. So the way it works is you pay a personal styling fee of $20, and if you keep anything in the box, you will get that $20 credited back to you on your purchase. They give you prepaid shipping label bags to return any items that you either don't want to keep or items that you want to exchange for a different size. You get to try everything on in your comfort of your own home for 5 days, and I love it because you can compare it to the rest of your closet. You can see what else you've got that would mix and match with some of these things. The other good component that I like is that you are assigned a stylist, and if you want to keep the same stylist, you can. Now, of course, occasionally they leave the company or are otherwise reassigned, but usually I have the same stylist for 6, 7, 8, 12 months at a time. So this, I believe, is the second box that my new stylist, Stacy, has curated for me. You can also collaborate with your stylist. You can pick up to 3 items per box to choose that you select in the box, and then your stylist will sort of complement your choices and fill the rest of the box. You get 5 brand new items in each box. So let's see what Stacy has to say. Hi Shelly, it's so great to be styling you again for the opportunity to check in on you this month. How are you doing? I added a great mix of casual pieces that you will love adding for your upcoming trip. I told her that this box should be arriving right before I go on a trip, and perfect timing. It's a week before I leave, so bravo. She says, let's jump right in and start this box with the Lanica pull-on shorts. These are perfect to mix and match with all of your favorite tees. So I am wearing this with one of my favorite tees for the Las Vegas Golden Knights. Go hockey. You guys, Marc-Andre Fleury. Tangent. The goalie formerly of the Vegas Golden Knights is going to Chicago, the Blackhawks, my hometown team. And I really wanted Fleury to be able to stay in Vegas because he wanted to stay in Vegas, but after the fact, he made an announcement that he is going to go play in Chicago, and now my dream of having a Marc-Andre Fleury sweater with the Chicago Blackhawks logo is going to be fulfilled, and I'm going to have Fleury in red and black, and that just makes me so excited. Anyway, tangent done. Any other hockey fans here? Come on, come on. I'm also a Flyers fan. Blackhawks, Flyers, Vegas, those are my guys. And if I have to choose, they're in that order. That is what I wore these shorts with. Now, these shorts are in a size 2X. They retail for $55. They are drawstring, so I can tighten them up, but I'm going to say they're a little too big on me, and typically $55 would normally be out of my price range for what kind of amounts to an athletic short. Like, that's a high-end athletic short to me. So normally that would be my kind of train of thought going into this, but super lightweight, super comfortable. I like the material. It's soft yet breathable. So it is the kind of thing I would love to just pull on and wear with t-shirts. Nice option. I don't have enough of these in my wardrobe. I normally just wear jean shorts, which, as you probably know, get very heavy if it's hot outside. So I do like the option of adding something like this to my wardrobe. Stacy says, wear the Regina rolled hem shorts with the Amanda woven tank you snagged and flat sandals. So the shorts, perfection. They are size 18 in dark wash, retail $49, and my issue with shorts is I have a very specific rise that I'm looking for. I need a low mid rise because anything higher, the way I wear the spare tire, the jelly roll of my belly, I can't wear high rise anything. It doesn't fit over my spare tire. So I have a very specific need for a specific rise in my shorts and my jeans, and this one is just right. Not too high, not too low. Very pleased to have found that. These are from Molly and Isadora. I've had really good luck with this brand, so that's just kind of a thing. Clearly they are designing for my body style, my body shape, and I'm very happy with it. So these shorts are a definite thumbs up. The top, this is one that I had chosen to put in the box. So it's made by East Adeline, size 2X, retails for $49. It's the Amanda Woven tank. I am wearing it right now as well. Super adorable. I love the print. I wasn't sure if it was going to translate in person the way it looked in the photos. It's cuter in person, actually. I like that this is lined and the lining is kind of sewn onto the outer layer, so you're not going to be fighting with it getting like rolled up without the two layers staying in their proper places. Very much like that. It's a little snug in my belly when I sit down because I do wear all of my weight in the front of my belly, but I'm doing keto again. Never mind that my liver hates keto. Liver, shh, sit down, be quiet, liver. We're gonna see. I'm just trying to lose another 15-20 pounds. I would be very happy with that. I was able to lose 35 pounds over the course of lockdown, and I would just like another 15-20 more, and then we'll call it good. I'll still be over 200 pounds, so I'm not getting skinny mini here, but that would make me very happy. So we'll see. We'll see if I can lose that much weight before my liver screams at me. Definitely like the top. I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna be one of my first goal outfits to like fit in comfortably when I'm sitting. It's not that I'm uncomfortable, it's just that I'm self-conscious when anything is clinging to my belly, because the way I wear my weight, I have had so many people over my lifetime ask me if I'm pregnant, and I'm not, I'm just fat. So I don't like when things cling to my belly. So when I'm sitting down, this is clinging to my belly more than I like. So let's see if we can fix that a little bit. A little bit. I could trade it in for a bigger one, but I don't want to, because as you can probably tell, the top is actually, that's the thing with that's why I started sewing, is my shoulders are actually fairly narrow, but the rest of me is fairly wide. I'm a combination of a triangle and then, you know, straight up and down board, kind of an apple shaped board with a triangle top. And that's why it's hard to find clothing that fits me. But super cute, so I'm gonna keep it because it's gonna be my first goal piece. Then she says, I've also included the cold shoulder knit dress. This is so chic and trendy and perfect for your trip. And I'm gonna say, yes, this is chic and trendy. This is not normal for me because I am not chic and trendy. I'm like punky nerdy. That's my style. The fabric is super lightweight. My concern is that it's gonna show all the lumps and bumps, you know, but at the same time, it is very comfortable. And if I did wear something like Spanx underneath it, I probably would be even happier or more comfortable with it, because again, I don't like when anything clings to me. This is not a clingy style, and actually I think the little knot at the bottom corner helps to distract and keep the eye moving so it's not settling in on any places that you don't want the eye to settle in on if you are conscious of your midsection and don't want people looking at it. So I'm actually surprised at how much I like this. I think it is definitely very cute, and I'm really surprised at how much I like it. And worst case scenario, this won't apply to everybody, but I have things that I wear that are just filming outfits, things that I love the top half of, that I don't necessarily like how the bottoms look, and then I just keep them in my filming wardrobe, and that's what I use to film videos, because you only see the top half of me. So bravo on that. She did not mention this last top that I picked in the box. I'm pretty sure I picked this one. And let me tell you, it is so soft. The Socialite Cressida cold shoulder knit dress, olive green, size 2X, retail $39. Actually, now that I see the price, I'm totally cool with this dress. I think you could also wear it with leggings or even like capris, like skinny capri jeans. I know skinny jeans aren't cool anymore. I don't care. I'm not cool either. So I'll wear what I like. It took me so long to get into wearing skinny jeans because I'm like a bell-bottom girl. I want super flares. Boot cut's not even enough. I want loose super flares, 60s bell bottoms, love it. But it took me so long to get into wearing skinny jeans. Now that I'm wearing them, you guys are stuck with them. I'm wearing them forever. Sorry. So that was the cold shoulder dress. This last top, I think I picked it out. It is from Molly Nisador. It's a Sarah short sleeve V-neck tee in olive green and tan. Gorgeous animal print. Size 2X, price $32. You guys, this top is one of the softest fabrics I've ever felt. It's so soft and flowy, so it's not clinging to anything. And I really like just where the top is cut. Like, I think it lays very flatteringly nicely, and I'm really excited about this top. Once upon a time, someone told me I should wear green more often, probably because I have green eyes, and I do like wearing green. I don't have much of it in my wardrobe, so whenever I get the chance to try something green, I usually grab it and try it, and I'm very happy with this one. I think it's super cute. I'm wearing it with the jean shorts from the earlier outfit. So let's take a look at the totals here. At retail price, if I was to purchase the entire box, it would be $224. If I buy any item from the box, the $20 styling fee would get credited back. There is a discount if you buy the full box of 25%, so that would be a discount of $56. So if I purchase the entire box, the total would be $148 plus tax. And as usual, it brings this box to like 30 bucks an item. I'm gonna keep the whole box because that's just what I do. I like the stuff. And the stylists at Dia have gotten to the point with my body shape and my weight and my fluctuations. They have styled me 30 pounds thinner than I am now. They've styled me 40 pounds heavier than I am now. They have had my whole range. They figure me out. Like, they're just good at it. And to not have to struggle with clothes that don't fit, to me and my ego, is fantastic. You know, when you're shopping in a store, this benefits me a couple ways. Number one, I don't have to grab a whole bunch of items, try them on, struggle, none of them fit, and I'm just frustrated. Because these guys are experts at the sizing, what you should size up, what you should size down in terms of how the brands fit on different body shapes. They know it all. The other thing it helps me with is they give you, in every single box, you get this note from your stylist. And it has suggestions on what to pair with the items, what to wear them with, what kind of shoes to wear, etc. How to combine the items in your box to make mix and match outfits. That is knowledge that I am not gifted with naturally. I can't look at a bunch of clothing racks and be like, ooh, I'm gonna put that with that with that. Bingo. No, I just, it doesn't come to me. I can learn the patterns of what they are pairing together and then take that to Target and pair similar things together and build my wardrobe that it just, I can't say enough. It's been very helpful to the style challenged of me. Like I said, I'm t-shirt and jeans. I'm hoodies and jeans in the winter. That's it. End of story. That's my style. I don't have any. I find it very helpful. I am very pleased with this box. Thank you very much, Stacy. You did an awesome job. I am going to keep the overpriced athletic shorts because at the end of the day, with all the discounts, it's cheaper to keep the shorts than to only keep 4 of the items and not keep the shorts. So there you have it. There is another Dia & Co. try on in the books. If you enjoy these kinds of fashion videos, give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Unless I'm totally screwed up and posting on a Tuesday. It happens. It happens. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.